Yesterday, we learned how to use the particle 에 and the verb 있다 to say where someone or something is located. Today, we're going to learn another use of the particle 에. Now, when we use 에 to talk about the location of something, it's similar in meaning to in, on, and at in English. However, we can also use the particle 에 to talk about the destination of our movement, the place we are going to. When we use the particle in this way, it's similar in meaning to when we say I go to somewhere. So let's take a look at an example sentence. I go to school. 저는 학교에 가요. I go to school. 저는 학교에 가요. In this sentence, we have 저 meaning I, and it's used with the particle 는. Then we have 학교 meaning school, and it's used with the particle 에. So together, 학교에 means to school. Lastly, as with all Korean sentences, the verb is at the end of the sentence. And here we have the polite form of 가다 meaning to go, 가요. And to use the particle 에 to talk about the destination of our movement, the verb has to describe the subject's movement. Now, the thing about Korean verbs in the present tense is that although they're generally used to form simple sentences, like I go to school, we can also use the same sentence to talk about where I'm going to. So the sentence 저는 학교에 가요 can mean I go to school or I am going to school, depending on the situation the sentence is used in. Now, the key pattern to this sentence is blank에 가요. And we can use names of different places in front of this to say where someone goes to. Or we can use 어디 meaning where in front of this structure and ask the question, where are you going? And that's 어디에 가요? 어디에 가요? However, as well as 가요, we can also use other verbs of movement to talk about where someone goes to. So we can use verbs like 걸어가다, to walk, 오다, to come, and also 뛰어가다, to run. Let's take a look at a few more example sentences. 저는 집에 걸어가요. I walk to my house. 저는 집에 걸어가요. 사장님은 회사에 와요. The CEO comes to the company. 사장님은 회사에 와요. 민수는 어디에 뛰어가요? Where is 민수 running to? 민수는 어디에 뛰어가요? 민수는 식당에 뛰어가요. 민수 is running to the restaurant. 민수는 식당에 뛰어가요. Okay, so the key structure from this lesson is 에 가요. And we can use this structure to talk about where someone goes to. But instead of the verb 가요, we can also use other verbs of movement, such as 걸어가다 or the polite form 걸어가요, to say where someone walks to. That's it for today, and I'll see you soon again. Bye-bye.